10,000 people who studied for years, went to college, had a high salary, and held a prestigious title. Yesterday, they had a secure job, but today, they were completely replaced by a piece of software that costs $20 a month. And if you work sitting in front of a screen, the chances of you being the next target are absolutely terrifying. But before you panic, you need to pay very close attention to what I am about to say, because there is a hidden pattern behind the mass layoffs happening right now. By the end of this video, I am going to show you exactly how to find out if your name is on your company's next chopping block, along with the single counterintuitive skill you must learn today to become completely irreplaceable. You probably always thought that the robots were going to take the heavy physical jobs first, right? The construction workers, the drivers, the factory operator. But the exact opposite happened, because artificial intelligence doesn't have a body, but it does have a brain, and it is eating the corporate middle class alive. Junior lawyers, data analysts, copywriters, programmers, designers, accountants. If your job can be done remotely, it can be done by an AI. And this is the massive mistake that 99% of professionals are making right now. They look at ChatGPT and think that because it still hallucinates or makes mistakes, their job is safe. You need to wake up, because AI doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be good enough and infinitely cheaper than you. While you sleep, it works, demanding no vacations, no complaints, and no health insurance. Corporations have already figured this out, and the wave of silent layoffs has already begun. Even though HR will never tell you the real reason. They call it a departmental restructuring, but we call it algorithmic replacement. So how do you know if you are in the immediate danger zone? There are 3 very clear red flags you need to watch out for. Red flag number 1 is if the majority of your day is spent grouping, organizing, or summarizing information that already exists. Red flag number 2 is if your daily work follows a logical, predictable process based heavily on spreadsheets or text generation. And red flag number 3 is if you do not make complex decisions that involve direct financial risk or high-level human relationships. If you checked even just one of these boxes, the timer is already ticking against you. But remember when I mentioned that exact skill that makes you immune to this entire threat. Here is the massive paradigm shift that separates those who will go bankrupt from those who will get filthy rich in the next 2 years. AI is violently eliminating the executor, but it is practically begging for an orchestrator. The few professionals who are actively doubling their salaries right now have understood a very simple secret. They stopped competing with the machine and instead became the owners of it. The absolute number 1 skill of the future is not learning how to code. It is artificial delegation. This is the rare ability to look at a chaotic business problem, break it down into 5 parts, give the perfect commands to 3 different AIs working simultaneously, and then just polish the final result. You stop being the soldier digging the trench, and you become the general commanding an infinite army of digital interns. Companies no longer want to pay for 10 writers or 10 data analysts. They want to pay triple the salary to a single AI director who can do the work of 20 people using the right tools. Your college degree is not going to save you, and your 10 years of market experience won't save you either. You either learn to tame the tool today, or the tool is going to automate your entire career tomorrow. The choice is yours, but your time is rapidly running out. Now I want to know exactly what is happening in your specific industry right now. Look closely at your company and your coworkers. Do you genuinely believe your position is completely safe, or are you already seeing this silent AI takeover happening behind closed doors? Drop down into the comments and tell me the brutal truth about what you are witnessing on the front lines right now. If you made it to the very end of this video, I highly appreciate your absolute focus today. Make sure you hit that subscribe button right now to join the minority of people who are actually prepared for what is coming and to ensure you never miss the critical strategies you need to survive and dominate this new digital economy. Stay sharp.